Chad. What is happening with you guys? How you guys doing? How you guys doing? Just gonna get us some music here. Sorry, man. I was running around here now. I was running around here. There's no order. There's no order. Oh, damn it, man. Like, we're gonna have ads galore now. If you guys can see, I'm so sweaty because, yeah. Jadian, welcome, man. Want to be the first on the live today. That's awesome, man. Awesome. Glad to see you made it, man. John, kom ons maak sheld. Yeah, guys, you know the vibes. I sent the trade out here on Boom earlier today. You guys can see I had to break even. The TP on this was 100%. As you guys can see, the price actually hit TP, but we hit a break even on it. So unfortunately, that's one of those things. But if you didn't modify your stop and you yelled it, then you would have been in the money right now. Mark Martins, afternoon. Jivo, hey Mags, how you doing? How you guys doing? Welcome, welcome. So that's the move, guys. Currently looking at price over here right now, we can see price made a higher high. So there was demand zone lift at this point. You can see price basically respected the demand, and then we had some sort of reaction that then flipped from bullish to bearish, putting supply in control. So we can see over here, this is where price tapped into the level, and that is our new supply zone. So that's the zone I'll be looking to sell from on the pullbacks to the upside. So I want price to pull back up, and then I want to see continuation happening over here on Boom. Let's look what Crash is doing. Same thing, guys. It's like we've been infiltrated. I sound like ICT now. When was it? Yesterday we took a buy on Crash over here. I hit a stop. We entered more or less over here. Nico still asked me, someone asked me if I took a re-entry, but I did not take a re-entry, unfortunately. So I wanted to see price come back to this level down here to look for buys, and that's still something I will look out for today. And price just ran towards the upside. Even if we looked at this trade over here, but TP at the Asian high would have also hit, and the exact same thing happened. So unfortunately, it's one of those things. We can't catch them all, you know. We can't catch them all. I just want to do some chart hygiene here real quick. So we can see currently the Asian high and low is untested. So price taking out the Asian low would be ideal for us, or the ideal play. We want to see price trade into this fair value gap over here for us to look for buys. And also you'll see slightly above it institutional level. So the way I see it, price came there, it tested that level, and also if you look at the 4 hour, I don't think price, yeah. So there was no full closure above this level. Now remember, also I always talk about this. I need to see price with full closures before I can actually confirm whether that is valid. Can you explain how you implement the Asian range and how you trade it, please? Okay, we can do that as well. Just want to run through our pairs here so we know what to look out for. Crash 1000 and Boom 1000. Yeah, this. Oh no, it was yesterday. That was yesterday. This was the trade. Sorry, this was the trade. Crash 1000. So very similar, like on Crash 500. You will also see over here there was no full closure, also leaving us with that wick, and then price also ran to the upside. And look at that. Price ran to the upside. Still would have been in profit right now if we held this position. But unfortunately, that did not happen for us either. I'm looking at volatility 100. What's your bias on volatility 100? So Asian high has been swept, Asian low untested. So I won't be looking to buy Crash today. I won't be looking to buy today, purely based on the fact that we have rejected the weekly open. We made lower lows on the internal structure. Asian lows untested. Price took out the Asian high, so it looks like price is going to continue pushing towards the downside. Also change of character over here. So you'll see that most likely this level will act as supply for price to sell from. I'm looking to take a buy from 1270 as a broken structure level at that. Okay, we can have a look at it soon. Also look at Boom 1000. Price swept above that high over there. Also the exact same ideology. We can see a reaction, demand flip. So I want to see price step into the supply zone over here. We marked it out yesterday. I like this engineered liquidity which we are seeing. So looking good in my book. And I think also Asian lows untested. Asian high has been swept, if I'm not mistaken. So no, Asian high not swept as yet. So we still can expect price to push to the upside. So we have two trades we can take it today. Boom 1000 and crash. Sorry, boom 1000 and crash 500. And potentially boom 500 if we can see price trade towards the downside here. Okay, quick question, off topic, but quick question, you can just drop it in the chat for me. How do you clean AirPods? How do you clean AirPods? Like, how do you clean AirPods? Please let me know in the chat. Okay, so that's the moves. Let's look at volatility 100 real quick. Jarian's looking at. Let's see. V100. Oh, there's a lot of opens on here. So there is the... Okay, so that is the monthly open, the Q4 open. We didn't take that trade. Oh, only thing here, I wouldn't look for buys, Jarian, to be honest. I'll be too scared to buy it. Purely based on the fact that we have this low down here. And also price slightly broke below it as well. See, it's a different story on crash and boom. Based on the fact that we take it based on the trend. So I'm not saying you're wrong. Price can definitely move towards the upside. But now, Jarian, price has not yet confirmed for continuation. So only once price breaks above this high over here, I'll be able to say I can look for buys, because that's when you have a change of character. Remember, always look at structure. Always look at structure. Higher highs, higher lows. You can see price is making lower lows, no lower highs. No higher highs, sorry. So I wouldn't be looking for buys, to be honest. But let's see the Asian range on here real quick. So the price has swept the Asian range. The Asian high is untested. So that now once again becomes a reason for taking the trade potentially. But I would much rather wait for it to break. Yeah, and also just the way structure is moving, it's a bit... Yeah, this is the last. So if you look at structure, this is the last high it left. And it's the last low it left. So depending on what's going to happen at one of these two highs or lows, I need to see it break above, retrace, and then I can look for potential buys. And potentially I will look for buys around... I want to see price trade all the way down here. Channel, what's up, Jiv? Hey man, hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing good. Welcome, welcome. Clean mine with a staple, and the disinfectant is before and afterwards. Okay, you're gonna have to be more specific. Like, I'm with slow, hey, Jadian. I'm with slow. We have to be more specific. How do you disinfect it? Like, do I just pop it in there? Okay, so that is V75, sorry, V100 right there. Crash 1000, crash 500, boom 1000 spiking up there a bit, boom 500 dropping. chat can hear you. The chat can hear you. I'm really bleak about this trade, to be honest. Like, yo, man, we had such a nice entry, and then literally, what happens if your Asian range is within your box and no breakouts? Then your rules aren't met. Remember the thing is, ne? I've seen this in the Discord as well. Let me quickly show you. It's in the Discord. Just need to figure out now where we sent it. Damn it, man. Where is it? Okay, so first things first, Jerry, and you're gonna have to look for where did I send it, man? Where did I send it? I mentioned it in the video as well. But I've sent it out a very, very long time ago, Jadian. I've sent it out a very long time ago. Let me quickly go find it for you. Let's try this. Let me show you like this. As a trader, you need a plan when you enter a trade. So if you have watched me basically do analysis, you would know that I always start on a higher time frame, and I identify my peak formation high or low. Once I've identified my peak formation high or low, I start looking at structure and I ask myself, is there a shift candle? So once I've identified that shift candle or the imbalance in the market, I ask myself, did it leave a valid order block? Once a valid order block has been created, then obviously the shift created that imbalance. Then I draw a fib and I ask myself, that's my fib lineup with my point of interest. Only once those boxes are ticked, then I move to a lower time frame. On a lower time frame, basically, I ask myself, the price retrace to my order block, which is your point of interest. This one must always not be checked because that's the last box that must be checked. However, you look at it first. So you ask yourself, the price retrace back there, yes or no? If yes, you missed the trade or you start looking for the trade. If no, you start preparing for price to get to that level. You wait for price to come there. Then you ask yourself, did it create liquidity? You want to spot this. Do we have a shift candle? Did it change of character? Are we at the high or the low of the day? Are we in the stop on box? And are we in the session? But now, okay, I don't have Asia on here, but the idea is we've spoken about Asia for so many years. Only, like, remember, our rule stays the same. If this is our Asian range, and price is trading within the Asian range, there's no trade. We only trade in London or New York session, right? So once price breaks out of the box, then we obviously in session, London session. Then the goal becomes price has to break or break above or below the box. Above the box, you look for sells. Below the box, you will be looking for buys. So if price is still within your Asian range, there's no trade that day. And the reason why I say that's because, well, yeah, that is how we trade. That's how the method works, you know. So you need to basically your approach needs to be systematic. Your approach needs to be mechanical, basically, so that there's no emotions attached to your trades. That is a very, very important thing. How's it, Jevo? Hey, Ryan, hope you're doing good, man. What's up, Chad and Jeff? Hey, Ash, welcome, and hope you're doing good. The new camera angle looking fire. Yeah, and we played around a bit. The quality looks better as well. And yeah, man got a fresh cut as well. Man got a fresh cut. So yeah, man, a lot of things. But to answer your question, yeah, so no breakouts means no trade. I'm gonna put you guys on again, and I don't mean this in a bad way towards anyone, but like, guys, like, one of the most valuable things we've shared in this channel was the trading alchemy. In the trading alchemy, we talk about market making, and literally the first lesson that we put out is based on your Asian range. And like, honestly, like, if you haven't studied this as yet, then really, I don't know, you know. This is such an important concept that I believe people must know. It's out there for free, completely for free to the public. So yeah, man, guys, please, like, put in the work, you know, put in the work, and everything, like, and also, like, why I say this is because I've dropped so much knowledge, I've dropped so much content on this channel. The answer is literally out there for free, you know. I'm just saying, guys, you know. Don't sleep on the value that I put out. I spoke about it the other day as well when Nico was here on the chat with us, and I said it, you know, there's gonna come a point where I feel like, I really feel that way. I really have thoughts sometimes of leaving the industry and stopping everything, and like not taking in new members, and just continuing the members we have and live my life privately. And when the time comes one day when I've made enough money, and just continue with the vision instead of like, and I'm not saying this in a bad way. But like, there's gonna come a point when I see whether people put in the work or not, and there's gonna come a point where I'm gonna ask myself, why should I be helping people that don't want to be helped? And so I'm trying to say. So yeah, man, guys, like, literally, there's so much knowledge on my channel. Like, honestly, if you go to my channel and you go to videos, scroll all the way down. If you go to a video I dropped 5 years ago, you would see that I dropped analysis live. Not live, but like, I would do my analysis and I would upload the video to YouTube. Something that most men, like, think about it this way, guys. Only last year we really started putting emphasis on the fact that people must do things in front of people for everyone to see beforehand. Don't come post your profits afterwards, how you caught a move. If you're on a test account, you know, you entered yourself in there. Like, I used to drop these videos like 5 years ago, and I would draw out my analysis. Look how my charts look. Oh, look how shitty my analysis used to look. And back then, like, then I would come back. This was, I can't see the date on you. Can I see the date on you? 12 August 2019. 12 August 2019. Look at 12 August 2019. August 2019. 16 August, and look at this. I'm gonna show you something. Look here, back then already, 5 years ago, I spoke about the Asian range already. 5 years ago, I spoke about the Asian range, and some people only learned about this now the other day when they started studying ICT. I've been on my shit, you know. Unknown trader, thank you for the follow, man, and welcome to the family. And thank you for liking the live, man. Appreciate it. Don't take it down. I want to watch it again. Yeah, so to answer that as well, like I said, there's going to come a point and all this knowledge I've dropped on this channel, I'm going to take it off. You know. So you guys better not download this stuff and start other channels and repost my shit like while you guys can, because love the streams with Chris. Glad I found you again. Unknown trader, my man. I am independent now, and yeah, building my own thing, you know. Building my own thing. Ryan, Jaden kind of looking like a snack. Jaden, bro, my mochi, my girlfriend, my wife questions me about you sometimes. Bro, do you think the Riv manipulates synthetic markets? They are the market maker, Ryan. They are the market maker. So yes, they do. Ashley, are you still here? I'm gonna make you a moderator, Buta. I'm gonna make you a moderator. You deserve it. But yeah, to go, well, I mean, guys, we're all waiting for our trades. We're waiting for boom, and we're waiting for crash and so forth. So we're all waiting, and I did share the signal with you guys earlier as well, so you guys know the vibes. It's a matter of waiting. We can't control the market. Literally, like, I want to show you guys how much. And even if you go back 3 years ago, the same stuff I still use today. I've been using it today. I even leaked part of my method at some point. Look here at institutional levels, OCD technique, guys, like, party and try myself. You're on synthetic now. I've been on synthetics, my man. I've been on synthetics. When I was at Volt, they didn't want me to trade synthetics on the stream. Again, business Volt Funder is value side. Unknown trader. I'm an affiliate with Volt. Yeah, that's the only company that I would say I'm affiliated with, because, well, I helped them launch it. And also, yeah, like I said, man, you know, I have nothing against Christim. I love Christim. So, and I know where the office is in case any problems. So Volt Funder is definitely a 10 in my book. Yeah, makes sense. So many times I have my stop was taken as it hit station. I wanted to go. The thing is, like, Ryan, it's not like they sit there and actually hunt our stops, though. That's not the thing. The thing is, like, because they are the broker. And I'm gonna show you guys once again how you guys sleep on my methods. So this is how okay, you guys, can we do it like this? Just make sure you guys can share my screen. Okay, so they can requote you at will. So this is what happens. They can confirm. I can't fix the quality of it. But basically, busy with fund account and Volt Funder. So only reason why I'm asking. Oh no, I completely understand. Unknown trader. That's not a flop. It's not a flop at all. MetaTrader manager user guide. Let's see if we can find it. They took it down. Damn it, man, they took it down. But do you see this? Have you ever asked yourself this question, eh? Have you ever asked yourself this question? You know when you log into your MetaTrader, eh? You have your quotes, you have your section for your terminal, whatever your markets and navigation, whatever the case, eh? Now, if you ask yourself, now you can see all the pairs and the markets you trade. Now, if you ever ask yourself, what does the broker see on their end? Their end, instead of not only do they see the pairs, but they see the accounts. They see the names of the accounts, they see the balances, they see what you are trading, they see what positions you are in, they see your lot size and things like that, ne? So they can requote you at will. They can reject your orders, they can make candles form a certain way in your chart and so forth. Now, here's the thing, if the Riv, for instance, looks at the market, because, like, remember also they're regulated, so it must also be a controlled environment as well. So what's going to happen is, as these patterns form in the markets, they will notice where the stop losses are on their end, and this is when they would drive price to those points, because number one, they can see where the stops are. Number two, they have the liquidity to actually drive the market because they are the market maker. Understand what I'm trying to say? So it goes back to this thing. We are all taught to trade a certain way. We go apply that to any market, for instance, and because the market, because how market makers, quote unquote market makers, move the market, it's based on human psychology, and human psychology will never change because humans will stay greedy. Humans will stay thinking that they know what's best. Understand what I'm trying to say? So that's where the problem comes in. Hey, Timba, thank you for the follow, man. Welcome to the family. Actually, should probably have a special Nigerian. No comment. No comment, Jarian. So boom is very slow. Let's quickly check what the other pairs are doing. Let me just save this analysis quickly. Oh damn, I must actually buy electricity for ons load shed here we stream. Guys, I'll be right back. I just need to get some electricity quickly. Otherwise, gaan die krag afslaan and then the stream will end. Okay, but wait, I need to first move money because I can't buy from Standard Bank. Okay, boom, 300 almost at these highs. Interesting. Very interesting. Verde, interesting. Okay, market's making nice higher highs, yeah. So if we can just get nice into the zone here. Answered an. Sorry, man. I'm just moving the funds here quickly. Asian range. Asian high and low untested. So Asian high slightly swift, but Asian low is untested, so looking good so far. Looking good so far. Yo, I feel cocky insecure, to be honest. Yo, I'm fat. Yeah. I really feel insecure, to be honest. Yeah, my pants. Okay, that feels not self-conscious anymore. Ja, dan kan ik mijn mag een beetje uit laten gaan. Oh my word. Let's see what's happening on the terminal side of things. Maybe there's something there for us. Okay, so boom. Okay, crash 400. Nothing as yet. Range break 100. TikTok chat. I'll put on the roof screen now. So starting off here on crash 400, you guys can see basically price has not broken above that high. As in the 15-minute, we can see price hasn't making higher highs. So you can potentially take a shot down here if price trades all the way down towards this level, and then somewhere along this fair value gap, we can start looking for potential long. I would say even we can look for a long on the institutional point of the 8,000. Sorry, no. 7,900. Hey Jesse, how's it, Jeff? All good, man. All good. How are you doing? How are you doing? Good to see you. Yeah. So that is crash 400. Range 100 came into the zone. Remember, I told you guys on the C price trade into this level, so we can look for sells. We can see price has reacted very, very nicely off that point. Now, I want to see price trade all the way back up to that black line. Let me just remove this here real quick and show you. I want to see price trade into the supply zone over here. I want to see price hit that level to look for sells. Volatility over boom 550. We can see price also trading above that level. Price traded into this level. Very nice reaction we had in the 15-minute. Change of character. Yeah, I would say this black line potentially. This black line we can look for sells on boom 550, and then boom 600 is just dropping. It is just dropping. This thing has moved over almost 1,000 pips. Almost 1,000 pips. Volatility over crash. Same thing over here. I need to see price trade down towards these lows. This low all the way down here in that fair value gap. Then I will look to execute. Boom 900 making higher highs finally. Okay, trading back up. Okay, actually very interesting. We've moved about a total of about 400 pips. So in the way I see it, a reversal is imminent. Okay, guys, are we gonna take a little shot here? Let me see how volatile this thing is. So literally, why we're taking it? We're taking it based off that inverse fair value gap that as supply. Let me just check here quickly. How big would this stop be? 25 pips. 25 pips. Take a small shot there for 25 pips. So the pair that I executed here is boom 900, and it's a sell. There you can see I just executed, and then if I look on the 4-hour, where will I drive this price to potentially? Sell side liquidity. So we're gonna go for about 200 pips. One session is missing. I need my pillow, guys. My back's killing me. I feel like an idiot. Wusumuzi, thank you for the follow, man. Welcome to the family. I feel like an idiot. I just remembered how the pillow got there. Wink, wink. Nothing yet in our other pairs. Look, I'm gonna throw it back to thingy. I'm gonna throw it back to. Hey, where's my stop loss? Oh. Damn it, man. How can I? Okay, I'm gonna just go back to thingy, and I'm gonna, because like it feels uncomfortable being on the terminal, man. Sorry, man. I'm just reading up on something quickly. Okay, looks like we're gonna have trade off the stream again for another one, but at least we did into boom 900. Okay, damn it, man. Guys, almost 5 o'clock. I'm gonna have to stream run for 8 more minutes. And then I'm gonna have to end the stream, unfortunately. But as always, guys, as always, if you have not yet joined the Discord, here is a link for you to join the Discord. Make sure that you join the server so that you can be updated whenever I do take trades off stream, as well as at night. Yeah, hey guys. Motifab, how's the little one? Hey, she's growing, eh? Yo, so funny, funny thing, guys. Ne? That funny thing. I think this morning I took her outside. It was nice hot, so I was like, let me show her outside world, you know. Now I'm light skinned, ne? Michaela, I wouldn't say she's light skinned. She's brown. So we obviously thought that okay, she has like my complexion. Bro, I take this baby outside, ne? Because because the house isn't as brightly lit, and she's always in the room. Bro, that girl needs a tan, man. That girl needs a tan. She needs to play in the sun when she gets older. Yo, she must play in the sun. She looks like Seamus. Jokes, man. Jokes, guys. Jokes. But now she's growing up, man. She's growing. I'm very, very proud of her. Every day, like she's really getting to that stage. She's becoming more and more conscious. We did a test with her when the midwife was here. So we did a test with her to see like how advanced she, or like her, like I don't know what to call it. But then basically she's basically more advanced than some babies she's 8 weeks. She's more advanced than some babies who's 14 weeks. Which is a very good sign. It's a very good sign. There's just one thing we are concerned about, but we don't want to talk about. I don't want to talk about it on the stream. I don't want to talk about it publicly yet, because I have faith that everything will be okay. And the day that we realize it's not okay, then maybe I will tell you guys. But so far everything is good, man. I believe everything will be okay. That's also why I tell you guys sometimes, like, my family comes first now, guys. There's some shit I deal with that you guys, I'm getting goosebumps. I'm really getting goosebumps talking about this. There's a lot of shit I deal with, guys, and you guys don't know that. And yeah. Not complaining or anything. Not complaining. I mean, we all wish it was easier, but then again, it's like that you don't just grow if it's easy, So, yeah, taking it all with, yeah. But anyway, guys, I see we have a bit of drawdown on our pay. I see we have a bit of drawdown. Let me just show you guys before we go. So we have a bit of drawdown. We're like halfway to our stop, but I'm still confident in it. So I just need to see it close below this. So I'm just gonna put this black line over here, slightly below entry. Once we can have a closure below this level on the 15-minute, then we should know we're good. Yeah, I just want to see this candle reject, because that's what I'm aiming for. I want to see the rejection of this candle closes a wick. But yeah, guys, that's the stream for today. Always a pleasure streaming for you guys. Always much love, and I always wish you guys nothing but the best. Thank you, JC, man. But it's not that serious, though. It's not that serious. It's obviously like you want nothing but the best for your kids. It's just like, fuck, man, why does that happen? Why does that happen? The one thing everyone warned us about so many things, and the one thing that could have happened, So, yeah, man, disappointing the people around us. Not really, yeah. Anyway, guys. I gotta go. I need to run to the shops. I need to go watch the baby. And then I need to spend some time with the wifey, because we need to watch that new episode of From, It's always a pleasure, man. Always a pleasure. I'll see you guys here once again tomorrow. And then, like I said, I will be dropping the setups for Boom and Crash in the server. So if you have not yet joined the server, make sure you join the server. And then I'll see you guys in there later on and throughout the day. Much love, guys.